Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So now we are here again in IKEA and Avenues. So actually we already done shopping na ano ba yung shopping lang, and then namin nakita na sila brunch buffet, which is affordable siya na price, tag 2KD 950. So, while nag-shopping ni ganina, daghan kayo galing niya dito. So, we are confused kung unsa to siya. So, now, we wanted to try the buffet brunch. The brunch buffet, sorry. So, ang brunch buffet nila is still November 10, tag 2KD 950. Ano siya, brunch. So, starting from 10 to 12. Nagsasarado ng 12. So, first ako gikuha diri is ang salmon. See? As you can see, naa sila'y salmon, naa sila'y grilled chicken. So, actually, guys, daghan kinitaw ako ang pinaka-last. Then, 12 noon na ni siya. And then, this one is another fish. And then, na mga berries, baby potatoes, and then boiled egg, cheese, and ham, cherry tomato, and so forth. So, muna siya akong mga food sa akong plates. As you can see. So, almost huro na ilang food kay late na. Alas 12. So, sarado na nila ang ilang parang gate pass. So, here, this is the pancake section. So, nag-request ta og pancake, and the other side is for the egg omelette or scrambled egg, whatever. And here, naa si Kuya, nag-prepare siya. Pero magic pancake na yung i-prepare. Oh, see? Nagkaroon siya ng pancake. Oh, diba? Magic. Asa kanyan. So, giluto ni Kuya ang pancake. So, ganon-ganon. Nasa mga ibang flavor na ay mga chocolates. Kung gusto kayo mong pancake na chocolates, na sila chocolates 3. Kung gusto ka plain, sada lang, walay problema. Yan lang ibibigay ni Kuya. So, nag-request ahead of me. So, sa pancake, so, I think dito ako, so, sa lain to. And then, this is my turn. Aray, tadadadadang! Surprise! Oh, see, diba? Magic pancake. So, diba? Exhibition pa si Kuya. Oh, see? Magic. It's too fast. And then, here we are in the bread section. We have croissant. And another pastry ng mga breads, like roll bread, whatever. And croissant again, croissant. And so I just took the croissant and cakes and fruits, fresh fruits. Actually, wala na ko nagkuha nila kay full na plates. As you can see, almost done na ang mga food. So here we go. This is our food. This is mine. This is hers, and this is hers. So, thank you!